Four completely different styles of art will go head-to-head by painting the same still life arrangement. Who will come out on top and who will lose? Watch how they are made and stay to the end to cast your vote. First up is the realist. Working in the style of the great masters, begins the painting with the 7-step process of the imprimatura, underpainting, griselle or dead layer, then a progression of colors laid gradually through the technique of glazing. The final detail layer brings about clarity, definition, and the highest contrast. The Impressionist artist, on the other hand, is less concerned with details and more in tune with light, atmosphere, and loose impression of what is there. The painting never achieves high details, and colors are not blended, but laid on side by side, allowing your eyes to do the work from a distance through optical blending. The Fauvist artist takes color to a whole new level. In fact, the Fauvist is not concerned at all with accuracy of color, focusing rather on the emotional qualities. The Fauves, or wild beasts as they were called, preferred this shocking and intense application of color, not muting it or dulling it down at all. Last but not least is the Cubist artist, whose aim is to represent the fourth dimension, time. In order to understand a subject, you have to move around it in time. Thus, you see multiple sides and multiple perspectives. The Cubist is interested in creating a new reality and a composition that is balanced. Now it's time for you to cast your vote. Which art style do you prefer? The Realist, the Impressionist, the Fauvist, or the Cubist? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed this content, drop us a like and visit us. Thank you for watching.